Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing to day 2 of Magic. We're about to leave to head to the show to find you guys more stuff, but I thought I would just share what I was wearing. So these are our Marlowe high-rise denim. Super cute. They are super stretchy, and I just like the little button fly. So cute. And then they have frayed edging at the bottom, and then I'm wearing them with our Adora slides. These come in black too. I should say these run true to size. These are a 1, and I'm wearing a 1, and they're super high rise, like they cover my belly button. So super high, really cute. Little back pockets. And then the Adora sandals are true to size too. I'm kind of in between a 7.5 and an 8, and I think these are an 8. Let me see. Yeah, these are an 8. So if you're in between sizes, I would size up, but they fit pretty true to size. And then I'm wearing it with our Arabella blouse, which we just recently restocked if you didn't get it the first time. So cute. This is the small, so it is an oversized blouse, but it's cute because you can wear it with leggings. It goes a little longer in the back and has really pretty crochet detailing and little dots and a bell sleeve, so it's just really fun. And then I added this big chunky turquoise necklace. This is our alchemy necklace, so this is a new arrival that we just added, and it's so fun. I like that it has the fringe up here, the big concho shell. And then this is our Drops of Jupiter necklace, so it's a layered one. I have a couple other necklaces on, but the Drops of Jupiter is this little, these little guys, and then this one, and then this stone. So 3 layered up together. Of course, our turquoise cuff, and then I wore these yesterday too, but our little feather earrings that have 2 little chains. So this is what I'm wearing for day 2. Tons of walking around. My feet might hurt, but I didn't really bring better shoes. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on quickly. Let us know. I'll post this. Let's see. I'll post so you guys can let us know what you want to see and what you want us to buy at the show, and then I'll do swipe ups for all of the items in this look right now. Bye guys.